This workflow can make a full AI video with dialogues for free, right?
Another productive morning, brother.
On the doorstep, stuffed and warm, two old boots feel Monday morn. Doorbell rings, free shine inside. Roll one if it's free, check what's tied. Hit the switch, the buffer screams. Lazy boots regretting dreams. Robot grins, trust me, I'm fine. Note to self, don't trust the shine. Oh, what a shineful mess we've made. Soap and sparks in bright cascade. Lesson one, when deals look sweet. Read the fine print at your feet.
Hey friends, Nova here, welcome. Today I'll show you how to make long AI videos with dialogue for free. We're using two Gemini Gems that basically handle the storyboarding and prompting for us. It's a really simple workflow once you see it. Let's jump in and I'll show you. First, we need a story. Instead of writing it ourselves, we'll let Gemini do the heavy lifting for us. We're creating a custom gem. Think of it as a specialist you train once so you never have to repeat yourself. Click Explore Gems, then New Gem. Give it a name and paste my prompt right into the instructions. Here are the instructions I'm using. You can always tweak these yourself later if you want to change the style or the flow. Basically, this gem has one job: turning your simple idea into professional prompts that the AI can actually understand. It handles two big things for us. First, it builds a hook into the story every 5 seconds to keep viewers engaged. Second, it perfectly breaks everything down into exactly 12 consistent scenes. I've included specific examples here to guide Gemini on how to write character descriptions and scene prompts separately. This is the secret to keeping the look consistent. At the very end, I've told it exactly how to format the output, so it's easy for us to copy and move to the next step. Actually, with this gem, you can just type in your idea, style, and length, and it'll handle the characters and prompts for you. Or, like I'm doing here, you can upload your own character and a basic idea. Gemini then takes that and breaks the story into 12 detailed scenes, writing a specific video prompt for every single one. Next, head over to Google Whisk. If you don't have a character yet, you can create one right here. Once you're ready, just drag your character image into both the subject and the style boxes. Now, let me show you an automation tool that handles the hard work for you. Search for the Autowhisk extension and add it to Chrome. Now choose Classic version for web automation. This extension is a lifesaver for bulk creating. Instead of doing it one by one, just paste all the scene prompts you got from the gem here. Just remember, one prompt per line. The tool will read them one by one automatically. Just quick note, before you start the run, make sure to set your aspect ratio. The automation will apply those settings to every generation. Click Run on this project, and it'll start creating your entire storyboard while staying loyal to your character reference. It's completely hands-free, so you can sit back while the AI does all. Before we continue, I want to show you a tool that's made AI storytelling a lot easier than before. This is Novi AI. The main advantage is that it puts the whole process in one place. You can start with an idea, and it generates the script, voiceover, and visuals for you without needing other apps. It supports image to video and text to video using models like Sora 2, Veo 3.1, and Kling, so you can really choose the style that fits your story best. It also has a story-to-video feature. You just paste in your script or idea, choose your video size, and pick a style, like Pixar or anime, to fit your vibe. The best part is there's no length limit, so you can generate up to 5 minutes of content. Once you paste your story, it builds a fast storyboard. Then you just click Animate, add your voiceover and music, and it's finished.
Cozy sunset cabin interior with crafting table, furnace, and wool. Gentle fly through of pink cherry grove and bright grass. Sudden drop into a deep crevice toward the ancient city. Gentle fly through of pink cherry grove and bright grass. Blast up into neon skyscraper city at night. The camera accelerates upwards out of the dark, bursting into the night sky above a futuristic metropolis of tall black concrete skyscrapers, glowing intensely with cyan and purple neon end rods and glass architecture.
Now that our scenes are ready, let's animate them. There are 2 ways to do this. You can prompt manually for more control, like I usually do, or just use my gem to automate it. This gem is a specialist. Its only job is to turn your story into clean animation prompts. The input section defines how we feed it data, characters first, then scenes, so it knows exactly who is who. The task section ensures it generates 2 prompts per scene, 1 silent and 1 with a tiny line of dialogue, without adding extra fluff. I've also added global rules to lock in the prompt structure and quality. Now, I just paste the output from our first story gem right here. It immediately locks in the character's look for consistency and provides that specific structure: shot type, camera move, and then action for every single scene. Okay, we're at the final step. Before we create anything in Grok, let's do one quick setting change. Go to Behavior and turn off Enable Automatic Video Generation. We need that manual control over every shot. Now, go to Imagine. Set the mode to video, choose your aspect ratio, upload the image from Gemini, and paste the motion prompt. You can also try the auto generation feature here without a prompt to see which result you prefer.
Another productive morning, brother. Another productive morning, brother.
Alright. Once you're happy with the preview, just hit upscale and download the file. Now, even though Grok does a decent job, I usually take my clips into Topaz for a second pass. It adds that sharpness that makes the details pop. And just like that, I generate all the videos. I've got a quick bonus for you. I'm going to show you exactly how I handle the music for the story. It's a simple trick using a chatbot to get lyrics and a theme that actually match your visuals. You can use this prompt in any chatbot, Gemini, ChatGPT, whatever you like. First, upload a hero shot from your story so the AI sees the visual style, then paste the prompt and add a few lines about your plot. For instance, I'm using a playful comedy about a robot and 2 sarcastic work boots. Once you hit enter, the chatbot gives you the lyrics and a music theme. If you like it, just copy and paste that into a tool like Suno or Tunee. It's that easy. And just like that, we're finished. I really hope this workflow makes your storytelling a lot easier.
On the doorstep, stuffed and warm, 2 old boots.
Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.